Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable map zoom controls on Airbnb account. So first we're going to go to our Airbnb app. You guys can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then next click on the profile section. Then once you're here, you're going to click on account settings. Then here you're going to click on accessibility. So as you can see, the map zoom controls is turned off. You're going to turn it on. So now you're going to see dedicated controls to zoom in and out of maps. So this is how you basically do it. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.